Welcome, everybody. It's just an amazing time together again. I shall be giving you my highlights for the week. Let's go into it. For this is what we call market outlook. Of course, this is an expo for the week. Of course, you should be able to know what we are looking out for this week, so that you can follow through and make money for the week. Of course, some of them will be giving you about 3 to 400 pips, while some is 100 to 150 pips. As a matter of fact, last week we did same thing. Some of the pairs we projected, most of them played out accordingly. Accordingly, of course, you can go to these videos you are watching above to see them, to watch some of them. So I wouldn't want to go back again, or just go into our videos gallery and watch them. So you can know that this is more important for you to always watch market outlook, so that you can have a understanding on what the week could be, and some favorable pair that could definitely make you money, because you'll be spotting out 4 to 6 pairs that are sure trade. Yeah, you should also be able to make money even though you're a beginner, or whatsoever you person you are, or intermediate. One of the first pair I'm looking at is what? EURJPY. As a matter of fact, I do not believe this buy is ready yet. It still is exhausted yet. So market should still buy to this point, then we test. When the market will take come back to somewhere around here, because we can see the what? We can see the market changes from here, higher high, lower, lower, lower high. As you do a more higher high here, though it has done a higher, it is, you can see that this kind of closes above this is a bit higher. But I do not trust this. I still believe that the brand can still come here, then come back here, then we can buy. Am I talking? You follow the trend as usual. So irrespective of what market may do another thing anyway, irrespective, I will still be really. I might not even stop here. Come and stop here. We stopped here and equal this. This is the highest I will ever add. I could choose to sell if it's look clean anyway. That is if it's look clean and giving me. Can you see that's the highest I will ever add, and that was on what? That was on 12th August. So if market came back here, I might came back here, giving me more clearer confirmations, signal entry confirmation candle, and every other things. I might have to sell depending on what market prints out. However, I'm looking at what a push where then they come back there and buy here. That is for the first trade on EURJPY. Second trade is on GDP AUD as well. GDP AUD, I'm looking for a buy as well. Let me show you. I'm looking for a buy as well. Right now, this market should definitely, let me show you guys. I'm looking for a good buy. You can see that it's actually a trend market. It has been trending for a while now. Let's go to it. It has been trending for a while. Market has been on a trend for a while. So I'll be following the trend as a matter of fact, and I'll be looking for a buy. Can you see market has been doing a trend? So I believe this market should definitely, the market stopped here and did double top. They came back here, then came back. The market should take away this low here. Once the market takes away this low and come back here, then we should look for a buy. You the buy stopped here or stopped here. The one will be around here and then furthermore. So, however, if the market should not take away this, so if you equal this one, you can still buy. If you got this one, I won't be willing to take it, because there might be a liquidity gap around this place that will drop a week and later buy. So I'll wait for that. So if market stopped here, I'm about to buy. I'll still be dependent. There might be what a liquidity gap around somewhere around here. I might chop a week, and if that week comes and everything, I might now see further confirmation, I may choose to buy. But if it doesn't play out like that, anyhow it plays out, I might. So there are some trade that we give out sometimes and we don't trade them. So you have to always look out for market. Market can do anything, can do and undo. You just have to be patient with it and follow it. You have to react. You don't act on market. You have to react. Whenever market has acted, you have to react on it. So you let the market to show you the direction. So you let the candlestick, as I used to say, candlestick speaks a language. So once the candlestick tells me the language he speaks, I will need to interpret the language, because I know the language very much. I tell you guys, and I keep saying it, that we have about 80 to 20 templates on candle speaks language, about how candle speaks language, about candle signal confirmation candlesticks. We have it, so we can copy comment below. If you need it, we'll send it to your email. So that these are the things you always look out for when you want to enter the market, and some candlestick languages that they speak. It will help you. Your entrance are a lot. I might talk to someone. So that is for that guy. Also, I'll be looking for what this baby here. I'm looking for NZD CHF. I'm looking for a buy on this baby here. I'm looking for a strong buy on this baby here. Once it comes down to this point, I'm looking for a buy because because of the setup, the chart pattern I'm seeing is a very good chart pattern. I've traded something like that before, and I'm very much confident that it will definitely buy. Can you see this? A double top market? It shows that the market is rejecting to this point. Market is was strongly rejected. The first time it came, it changed its structure. It go higher again, come back again. Go higher again, come back. So I'm waiting for what to come back here again. Right now, you can sell. Let me show you. You can find an entry once market comes back up here and sell. But I'm waiting for the buy. Sell. I can sell. I'm waiting for the buy around here. Because when about market here, it jumps and keep buying. So if you want to enter this market, so you can sell. Find your entry somewhere around here. When market comes back to up or come back to any resistance level, you can sell. But I so much believe the market will come here. Just not come here alone. Market might come here and be going downward. Aha. So you can do anything. Because I am so patient, and of course I know what to I'm looking out for before I entered. The first time it came here, it did what a week, it go back. This one too, it's want to do it, it's not it go back. So it must do something confirmation for me here. Just as I said earlier, there must be what's called confirmation candles that you must see before you enter. So I must see that before I place my buy or I enter this market. So that is three. I'm looking for a what? I'm looking for GDP USD as well. I'm looking for a buy on this market as well. GBPJPY rather, GBPJPY. I'm looking for a buy. That's making four, right? Let me show you. GBPJPY. I'm looking for a buy at this point. I'm looking for a buy. You can see the structure. Markets came back here, lower low, and did an equal high here. Then came back here. You could not take this low here. Then it goes. Then that shows that what this market buyers are in the market. This pattern alone for me, market structures already tells me that what buyers are in this market. So I've been waiting for market to come back to either to this equal here or come back to this around my trend line here. And I'm willing to shoot. Let me show you very well. And I'm willing to shoot on this buy. However, market can keep going. You can do higher and come back to this point. You come up to this point, I'll still be waiting and just be looking at and then break this point and keep going. So market can do anything, okay? Because I'm looking for it to come down doesn't mean it must or it will definitely come down. I'm not a dictator of the market, and I am a market maker. Of course, we're just reacting to whatever market gives to us. I'm not talking to someone. So based on my bias, that was what I'll be looking at as. However, I'll be waiting to for it to play out as it switched to two. Okay, so that is that one. And the last one is Euro AUD. I'll be looking for what on this one too. I'm looking for a buy. Okay, I'm looking for a buy once market comes back because market has broken this. Let me show you. Market has broken this level. Let me show you guys. And that's the fifth one. Just five trade I'll be looking at. So anyone that comes out clean and gives me a better entering and a better clean bias, that's what I'll be trading. That's what I'll be going for. So it might be anyone. However, it might not even be some of this. It might be another pair that comes out from currency. Market broke. Let me show you. Market broke this place heavily. So I expect it to still come back. So somewhere around here, so we can buy. So it's because it's still a buy market. You can see the heavy buy. Let me show you on a bigger market broke it heavily. Can you see? Can you see now? Whenever we are here, we sold, and this is the eye, and this is the head. We have shoulder, 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 shoulder. This place still shoulder, we tested, then it breaks it, then it makes it to what and come back here, makes it to what a strong buy. The market buyers are in the market. So once it comes back to somewhere around here, then we should be waiting for a buy. Any around here or here, I'll so much you to come here or somewhere around here. But I would love it if we can come back to this point exactly. This my cycle every year, then we can begin to buy. So that is that. That is it for guys on this market outlook. I hope you learned something and you gain something. Don't forget these are crazy setup that will definitely make you money. Look out for them and watch out, guys. Thank you so much for joining me once again, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel and follow us on this channel. Turn on the notification bell so whenever we drop videos, you can always get to see them and watch them. More importantly, we have a community on Telegram. Why not join us? What are you waiting for? Where we drop signals, education, trainings, and a lot more. You can always join us there, of course. so you can make money for yourself. Last week we had about 27 signals. We sent 27 signals. We lost just two, and we milk 25. We won 25 to. That's crazy, guys. That's super crazy, guys. So it shows how our win rate is. How our win rate is so crazy. So that is it, guys. Thank you so much once again, and I hope you will learn something today. If you have any question, drop it below for me on the comments. I will respond, or any of our support will definitely respond to you and attend to you. Thank you, and give it a thumbs up. Bye for now, guys. Peace out.